Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a second YouTube channel on the same account that you have. Sometimes you might want it for like you already have a vlogging channel, but you also want a gaming channel so you can just make separate videos onto there and upload them there. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that in just a second. So first, you're going to go to your profile. You're going to go down to settings. You're going to go to add or manage channels. You're going to go to create channel. Type in your channel name like Bob. Put 6, whatever, and then create. And there you go. And then once you do, you should be able to find all your other channels here. You can manage them here.